Hi, it's Christina Nichols with NicholsGPS. Welcome to this week's What's on the Whiteboard. I'm so excited that you're here. I'm particularly excited because we're here to talk about one of my favorite days, which is Giving Tuesday. It's currently 90 days away from Giving Tuesday, so depending upon when you're watching this, it may or may not be 90 days away. But it is November 27th of 2018. It's the Tuesday after Thanksgiving, just as it has been since its inception. So what I'd like to do today is really address the first question that comes to mind for most people about Giving Tuesday, which is, should we participate? Should we participate? So honestly, the answer is an easy yes. Because no matter if you're a nonprofit, a university, a business, an individual, or a group of friends who get together and drink wine, there is a reason for you to be a part of Giving Tuesday. Even if you don't have a mission that people are going to come and sign up to be a part of and to support, you can do the reverse and help organizations that need your help. So of course, I should say, supporting Giving Tuesday should not preclude any other meaningful days of giving that an organization that you care about may have to get support for their mission. But the power of Giving Tuesday is that more people give and volunteer on this day every single year. It just keeps growing and growing. And what's great about Giving Tuesday is that it elevates the profile of nonprofits, and it also has the ability to show the power of philanthropy in a really meaningful way. So why not hop on board is really the question. So if you're not a nonprofit, I suggest that right now you start to prepare to make a gift or multiple gifts on Giving Tuesday. So maybe it's a small or large financial gift. Maybe it's a gift of time. Maybe it's the gift of using your social media network to share the causes that mean a lot to you. But be prepared to give. That's what you can do if you're a business, if you're an individual, or you're not a not-for-profit. So now, not only can you give money, but you can also really share that social network, like I mentioned, and that is hugely powerful. So not only does it give social proof to say like, hey, this is a cause I believe in, and I think you may like it as well, but it also, you never know who might be spurred on to make a gift by seeing a message of yours that's forwarded or a share from an organization. So go find those organizations that you care about today, hop onto their social media accounts and start to like and follow them and see what they have coming up. It may also be that they have giving challenges that day or other incentives that will encourage you or help you to be a more effective donor on Giving Tuesday. So as for nonprofits, I'm going to be diving into some Giving Tuesday preparations in the coming weeks. So not only here on What's on the Whiteboard, but also in my monthly newsletter. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to that and to this YouTube channel, because these videos are all hosted on a YouTube channel. So I look forward to helping you navigate this great day of giving. Thank you so much for watching today, and have a great day. Bye-bye.